Hi everyone, my name is Jakub. I'm growth. I'm working on growth and marketing at Robonomics. Some of you might know me through the customer development interviews. It's midnight in Bali, but I'd love to welcome you all to the Robonomics Winter School 2021. Today, I will give a brief introduction to the course and possible learning path. Depending on your background, you could choose to enchant your IoT, robotics, blockchain, or front-end skills. If you've got a full-time job or exams soon, don't worry, because you could learn at your own pace. Join Discord to know more. As you might know, Robonomics supports all ROS-compatible devices, including hundreds of sensors and robots. Besides, we are planning to support ROS2 as it will simplify the development process, improve user experience, and thus bring wider adoption. Robonomics allows developers to create peer-to-peer communication channels between different IoT or robotics devices, or even with user applications without any cloud server involved. Each lesson will let you expand your understanding of Web3 technologies and provide practical materials. Robonomics is built on top of the Polkadot ecosystem, which is evaluated in 15 billion USD by the open market and contains many fascinating projects. You will be able to benefit from them. For example, your robotics devices could take loans in cryptocurrencies in an automated way with no humans or banks involved. We would love to familiarize you with Web3 technologies during the Winter School and show you how to create an IoT service from scratch using them. Sergey Lonchakov, a software architect at Robonomics, will hold the first two lessons. First one is connects robotics to user app. It's going to be a general overview of Robonomics as a software platform for connecting IoT and robotics devices to an end user application using Web3 technologies. And the second one, Robonomics GitHub overview, will provide you repositories representing Robonomics. 3 and 4 will be carried out by our crew, core Robonomics configurator and creator. We will dive into the available tools, practical use cases. Robonomics EO is a stream-oriented library that supports a broad set of sensors and actuators, including virtual devices like POPSUP or STD in, STD out, that makes hardware prototyping quick and easy. Lesson 4 is one of the most fascinating. You will explore the latest achievement of Polkadot. We will connect a robot to blockchain A, while the end user will be on blockchain B. Afterward, we will launch the robot from blockchain B with the help of Polkadot's functionality. Lesson 5, Robonomics connectivity, will be held by Vadim, IoT and robotics developer and core Robonomics team member. He will introduce you a method for connecting a large amount of IoT devices as a swarm to Robonomics through a Robonomics connectivity station. Lesson 6, where we will build IoT dApps for end users using Robonomics.js. Walsh team will hold a lesson on how to work with Robonomics.js. Thereafter, Positive Crash will explain how to improve user interfaces created with Robonomics.js. We will post new lessons, discuss them, and even run quizzes to evaluate your general understanding of robotics industry and have some fun. The most active and helpful students will be rewarded with Robonomics native token, XRT, and some secret prizes. Also, I'd love to highlight the ongoing incentive programs for developers. First of all, you could run your simulations or even real-world robots, make a tweet about them, and get marketing support from Robonomics Twitter account. Feel free to participate as soon as you feel you are ready. Secondly, we've got a bug and vulnerability reporting program. You could submit an issue to the special email address afterward. Akru, the main contributor and creator of Robonomics GitHub, will review and estimate it. DevOps team will double check the issue and you will be rewarded depending on the complexity of the reported case. And finally, the most important one, academia support program. You can apply for a grant to get funding for your robotics project on top of Robonomics. We'll provide your project with additional marketing support. Besides, Alexander Kapitonov, Dean of Info Communication Faculty at ITMO, one of the greatest IT universities in Russia, will provide guidance in your research process. Join Robonomics Discord server to know more about those incentive programs. As you might know, it's quite difficult to make developers speak with other people, but we did our best to make them do it. At the end of January, the whole Robonomics team gathered in snowy Togliatti to attend the offline part of Robonomics Winter School and prepare materials for you. Let's watch the teaser and meet teachers. After the teaser, I will get back to you to make an announcement about further steps. Thank you.
Welcome to the Robonomics Winter School. Developers of the project will try their best to immerse you into the seemingly fantastic and faraway world in the course of the next 2 weeks. And indeed, to simply put the basic scenario of usage of the software that we develop, we will be talking about the techno-economic exchange of information between men and machines. We will be talking about the economic of robots or a joint household of men and machines. My main goal for this year is to convey 2 main ideas to the community. Firstly, the robot economy is already present but hidden from us. And secondly, if we will continue to ignore the machine's contribution to the future of the humankind, we will be stuck in a point where we're stopping ourselves from a new step of our evolution. As an example, I would like to tell you a short story from the history of cybernetics establishment. Right after the birth of cybernetics back in the 40s on the east coast of the United States of America, after long 20 years, it made it to the USSR. Suddenly it got criticized as an alien concept, and because of that, the Soviet science of the 60s was greatly damaged. But despite everything, there were some mathematicians, physicians and scientists that kept on studying this subject. One of those people was Viktor Mikhailovich Glushkov, remarkable cybernetician. During his studies, he reached the very simple but at the same time very important conclusion related to our topic. The whole population of the planet is not enough for us to simply calculate all of the products and services. Using Glushkov's conclusion, we may realize that without sudden appearance of computers in our everyday life, we wouldn't have that benefit we got as a result. And I find it similar with what happens now with Fourth Industrial Revolution. Welcome to the Winter School. I hope that you will find it quite interesting and you will learn something new. Thank you, Sergey, for your welcoming word. Hi everyone, my name is Alexander Kapitonov, and I am a staff member, docent and dean of the Faculty of Info Communication Technologies in ITMO University. And I am very excited to welcome all of you to our Robonomics Winter School. Did you know that today's requirements for a scientific job have changed considerably? And now every project requires to have repeatability and how clear and public they are. These 3 elements are the most important, and I'm trying to control our team to meet those requirements. First, we seek the repeatability of currently in development project. Then we process and clean up the code. Then we publish it. Characterize it for the support, so that anyone could interact with it, launch it, and even find some errors and mistakes. In addition to that, we publish comprehensible material so that you were able to understand what exactly is our point. Because it's not always clear, and sometimes we get truly insane projects to work on. Next, we publish scientific articles based on our done projects and its results. In these articles, we spell out some philosophical concepts and raise the issue of robots and fourth industrial revolution affecting the humankind. But all of this would be very tough to do without a big team.
Hello everyone, my name is Vadim and I am robotics engineer. During my lesson you'll know about different approaches in building a civilian sensor network, how to flash a firmware on a device, and how to launch a connectivity module. Hop in and let's build the greatest decentralized sensor network.
Good day to all of the Robonomics Winter School's listeners. In the course of our lessons, we will learn how to use data blockchainization, how to work with parachains, and how to launch your own local Polkadot relay. See you soon in class. Hi, my name is Alexander and I am a JavaScript developer at Aira Lab. As a part of Robonomics Winter School program, I will teach you a masterclass in Dapps development. We will learn about basic modules of Robonomics, and with their help, we will try to write a small application. Thank you for your attention.
Hi, my name is Nastya. I'm UI designer from Robonomics. In Winter School 2021, I'm gonna demonstrate to you how a radical user interface can change same DApp. What to improve for user experience, even if you don't know where to start. How to combine component-based strategy with global style sheets, and talk a little bit about differences between small application interface development and creating whole ecosystem from user interface elements. Hope you will find something interesting in the video and encourage you to read my post as it has more structured information and code examples. Have a nice learning, see you!
Folks, I'm so excited for you to spend this wonderful time with us in Robonomics Winter School. Let's get into it.
I hope you enjoyed the video. What did you like the most? Share your answer in the Good Vibes text channel on Discord. By the way, there are many experts from the robotics industry. Scroll through the intro channel to find out more about their current projects. Some of them are even sharing videos of their working ROS compatible robots. I think it's the best way to expand your network and find like-minded professionals. After the opening ceremony, join the Discord. I'll be there in voice channels to answer your questions and get to know each other. Also, we will start a quiz in the Discord community at 5 p.m. UTC. We will reward participants of the first quiz with Robonomics merchandise, and the top 5 winners will get the digital version of Cyberpunk 2077 or Detroit Become Human in their Steam accounts. See you soon. Thank you very much.